Hey everyone! Are you tired of scrolling endlessly through apps that promise riches but deliver nothing but disappointment? Well, today is your lucky day because we're about to unveil the ultimate list of apps that will put cash in your pocket every single day in 2024. Imagine waking up every morning to find your bank account a little bit fuller without lifting a finger. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, get ready to turn that dream into reality as we reveal the top 15 apps that will have money flowing into your pockets daily. Number 15. Airman is an extra room or property sitting empty. Turn it into a lucrative source of income with Airman. Whether you're a homeowner, renter, or digital nomad, Airman allows you to list your space and connect with travelers from around the world. With flexible pricing options and the ability to set your own house rules, you're in complete control of your hosting experience. Plus, with Airman's robust safety measures and 24/7 customer support, you can rest easy knowing your property is in good hands. Number 14. Rutin. Love shopping online? Get paid to do it with Rutin, the app that rewards you with cash back on your everyday purchases. Simply shop through the Rutin portal at thousands of participating retailers and watch as your cashback earnings grow with each transaction. With double cashback offers, exclusive deals, and hassle-free payouts, Rutin makes it easy to save money while splurging on your favorite brands. Number 13. User testing. Your opinion is valuable, so why not get paid for it? With user testing, you can earn money by testing websites, apps, and prototypes for top companies around the world. Simply complete tasks, provide feedback on your user experience, and watch as the cash rolls in. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a design aficionado, or just looking to make some extra cash on the side, user testing offers a fun and rewarding way to monetize your expertise. Number 12. Stash. Investing doesn't have to be complicated, especially with Stash by your side. With Stash, you can start investing in stocks, ETFs, and bonds with as little as $5. Whether you're saving for retirement, building an emergency fund, or just looking to grow your wealth, Stash offers personalized investment recommendations and educational content to help you reach your financial goals. Plus, with features like automatic savings and roundups, it's never been easier to invest in your future. Number 11. Upwork. Say goodbye to the traditional 9-to-5 grind and hello to the freedom of freelancing with Upwork. Whether you're a graphic designer, writer, programmer, or marketing guru, Upwork connects you with clients from around the world who are eager to hire your skills. With flexible hours, competitive pay rates, and the ability to work from anywhere, Upwork empowers you to take control of your career and live life on your terms. Plus, with built-in tools for communication, time tracking, and payment processing, managing your freelance business has never been easier. Number 10. HoneyGang. Turn your unused internet bandwidth into cold, hard cash with HoneyGang. By sharing your internet connection with HoneyGang's network, you can earn passive income without lifting a finger. Whether you're browsing the web, streaming movies, or just leaving your devices idle, HoneyGang works silently in the background to monetize your excess data. With no effort required on your part, HoneyGang is the ultimate passive income stream for the digital age. Number 9. Inbox Dollars. Make money in your spare time with Inbox Dollars, the app that rewards you for completing simple tasks like taking surveys, watching videos, and playing games. Whether you're waiting in line, riding the bus, or lounging on the couch, you can earn cash rewards for activities you already do every day. With a low minimum payout threshold and multiple redemption options, Inbox Dollars makes it easy to turn your downtime into dollars. Number 8. Dosh. Forget about clipping coupons. With Dosh, earning cash back is as easy as linking your debit or credit card. Simply shop, dine out, or book hotels through the Dosh app and watch as cashback rewards roll into your account automatically. With thousands of participating merchants and exclusive offers available, Dosh helps you save money on the purchases you already make. Plus, with instant cashback payouts and no hoops to jump through, it's the ultimate hassle-free way to stretch your dollar further. Number 7. Fiverr. Whether you're a freelance writer, graphic designer, voice actor, or social media manager, Fiverr is the go-to platform for selling your services and building your brand. With millions of buyers from around the world browsing the marketplace every day, there's no shortage of opportunities to showcase your talent and land your next gig. Plus, with built-in tools for communication, project management, and payment processing, Fiverr makes it easy to turn your skills into cold, hard cash. Number 6. AATA. Say goodbye to clipping coupons and hello to cashback rewards with AATA. Whether you're shopping for groceries, clothing, or electronics, AATA helps you earn cash back on your purchases from thousands of retailers both in-store and online. Simply scan your receipts or link your loyalty cards to the app, and watch as your savings stack up with each qualifying purchase. With exclusive offers, bonuses, and easy payout options, AATA makes it easy to put money back in your pocket while you shop. Number 5. Bale Research. Your opinion matters, and with Bale Research, you can get paid for sharing it. Whether you're testing products, taking surveys, or participating in focus groups, Bale Research rewards you for your time and insights. With a user-friendly interface and competitive compensation rates, it's never been easier to monetize your opinions and influence the products and services of tomorrow. Number 4. Slice the Pie. Love music? Get paid to listen to your favorite tunes with Slice the Pie. As a music reviewer, you'll earn money for providing feedback on new tracks and helping artists improve their craft. Whether you're a music enthusiast, a budding critic, or just looking to make some extra cash on the side, Slice the Pie offers a fun and rewarding way to discover new music while putting money in your pocket. Number 3. Slidejoy. Turn your smartphone into a money-making machine with Slidejoy. Simply download the app, unlock your phone, and start earning rewards for viewing personalized ads and content. With Slidejoy's innovative lock screen technology, you can effortlessly earn cash and gift cards without interrupting your daily routine. Plus, with multiple redemption options available, including PayPal and Amazon gift cards, you can cash out your earnings whenever you like. Number 2. Merari. Got stuff lying around collecting dust? Turn your clutter into cash with Merari, the app that makes selling easy. Whether you're decluttering your closet, downsizing your book collection, or parting ways with old electronics, Merari connects you with buyers who are eager to snatch up your pre-loved items. With built-in shipping labels, secure payments, and a user-friendly interface, Merari takes the hassle out of selling and lets you pocket more money with every sale. Number 1. Trim. Say goodbye to overspending and hello to financial freedom with Trim. Whether you're paying too much for subscriptions, getting hit with hidden fees, or simply struggling to stick to a budget, Trim is your personal finance assistant who works tirelessly to save you money. From negotiating lower bills to canceling unused subscriptions, Trim puts more money back in your pocket so you can focus on what matters most. With Trim by your side, you'll never pay more than you have to again. And there you have it, folks. The top 21 apps that will line your pockets with cash every single day in 2024. So what are you waiting for? Start downloading, start earning, and start living your best financial life today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more money-making tips and tricks. Until next time, goodbye.